welcome back to my channel. My name is Martha. If you are new to this channel, we do Christian lifestyle videos new every single Friday. If you haven't subscribed yet, I invite you to do that right now, and feel free to follow me on my social media for my everyday life outside of YouTube. In today's video, we are going to be diving into my Bible journaling case. I absolutely love Bible journaling. I've been collecting a lot of supplies and material for a while, and I want to just show you guys what's inside of this because it's super fun and super cool. So if you are interested in seeing my Bible journaling supplies and what's inside of my Bible journaling case, then keep on watching this video. So let's start off with this case. Now, this is a huge, big, amazing, pretty, beautiful Bible case, but it's not actually a Bible case. So I actually bought this at Hobby Lobby, and it's from the Paper Studio company, and I think this is amazing. So it retails for about $25. However, I got it on sale for 50% off, I believe. And regardless if it's on sale or not, you can always use the Hobby Lobby 40% off coupon, which will help you save a lot of money. Because traditionally, Bible cases can be a little bit pricey, and it's hard to find one that is both super cute and super functional as well. And this is actually not an actual Bible case, it's a planner case. So it's for keeping your planner and all of your planner supplies. But when I saw this, I was like, this would be perfect for my Bible journaling Bible, because Bible journals tend to be a little bit more bulkier and bigger and wider, and so a regular Bible case will be a little bit too small for Bible journals. So just for comparison, I'm going to show you my regular Bible case. Okay, so here is my Bible journal, and here's my regular Bible. This is really heavy. Bibles are heavy. Okay, so you can tell the size difference, right? And just look at this, but yeah, so finding a case that's big enough for your Bible journal is a challenge, trust me, I know. So when I saw this one on the store, when I saw all the different, compartments and things that it had, I was like, this is perfect, and I have to share this to my viewers because I know that they'll love it just like I do. Let's get right into it. So we zip it around, and it opens up just like this, and you can see my cute little Bible to my left, and then you can see the compartments on the right side. Yes. So starting from over here, you get this area, and then you get 3 little bags where you can keep your supplies, and then you have your space to put your Bible. There's also a little bit of space so that you can keep some supplies. Now I'm going to show you guys some more in-depth things about this. So you have this nice beautiful floral print, as you can see, and it comes with this nice handle, and the side is this nice black and white stripe. You have 2 zippers, and then we're gonna open it just like this, and that's what it looks like when you open it. And we're gonna start with this side first. So this is my blender pen from Marvy. Then they have this pen from Tombow. Then this pen from Staedtler. This pen is a calligraphy from Marvy as well. This is a metallic marker, and this is a metallic marker, and this is a paint marker. This is my Cynthia Rowley pen, and then this is a pen I got locally, and they have this little stretchy thing that's really cool to keep them all in. You have your first flap, and this one I just keep my rub-on transfers. Okay, so then we flip on to the next one, and this one has these markers. They're color in. They actually match the Bible, which is cool. The Bible case. Then we have these pens, these highlighters, and this is an accounting pencil that I got in Mexico. Then we have this last flap, and then this one I just keep the smaller things like this. I have the Bright and Brave collection as well as the You Are Loved collection by Illustrated Faith. And then I have these. This is inspired ribbons. And I really like these flaps because they're different sizes. You can keep different things in them and you can see through, and it's really cool. On the other side we have my Bible journal, which you guys have seen before. It's by Pasio and it's a creative journaling Bible, and it's the Promises of God. It has the rose gold, which I really like, and it's a modern English version. So I really like that each book has a print that represents that book. It has lined sections. It has blank sections, which I really enjoy. And then it also has sections that are pre-drawn and you just color in yourself, which I really like that. So then once you get to the back, I have this little journal that I keep so that I can do some journaling. And these are just a grid book that helps me to figure out what I want to draw. And that's pretty much everything that's inside of my Bible journal. And these little bags, I keep in this big one my pencils, my colored pencils, all of them in here, easy to transport, easy to take if I want to go and Bible journal somewhere. And in this one, I keep my faves, my Paper Mate pens. So they're all in here, and again, easy to transport, easy to take with me. And yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed seeing what's inside of my Bible journal case, as well as my supplies that I use for getting into Bible journaling. What kind of supplies do you guys like to use for your Bible journaling crafts? Let me know what kind of other videos you'd like to see, whether it's more Bible journaling videos if you want to see inside, or when I Bible journal. I would love to do that for you, but leave me a comment down below. Thank you so much for joining me today. It really means the world that you have chosen to hang out with me and to just have some fun together on this beautiful, wonderful day that God has made. I'm a little bit energetic, as you can tell. Again, if you haven't subscribed, I invite you to do that today. I would absolutely make my day. And if you would like to follow me on social media, I'd love to see you over there as well. I hope you have a great day, and I'll be seeing you again with an all new video next week. Bye!